And the other side of this is, what do we do about businesses or places that start to promote these things that go against the Bible? And the answer there is you need to start doing something, which is probably get to the bottom of whatever that business is. So, for example, in Joann Fabrics, why are they selling this material? Why do they have it there? And you could probably ask most of the employees, and I bet you some of them don't even know it's in the store. And they might say, wow, I don't believe in that. I'm quitting my job tomorrow. But are they willing to quit their job and stand up for what's right? Like the fiery furnace and the people who were refusing to bow down, they were willing, no matter what. They were willing to go there. It's time for the believers of Christ, or the church of Christ, which is who we are, the body of Christ, to start acting like the body of Christ and stand up for what we believe in and be vocal about it, but also remember we have to go there in a place of love. We can't walk in and demand to know, why are they doing this? Why is this on the shelf? This is wrong. Well, it's like the old saying, you're going to catch more flies with honey than vinegar. If you go in there with vinegar, it's not going to be good. You got to go in there with some honey and appeal to them and say, what's going on? Why is this stuff in here? Why? Or same with businesses that maybe put something in their front lawn, a sign that goes against the Bible. You can ask them, hey, why is this here? Why are you promoting this? And if they don't know, or if they say, oh, some guy came and asked if we could put it there, and we did. Okay, well, you know, you should take it down, and this is why. And be prepared to tell them and explain to them, because a lot of times they may not even know any better at all. And this goes into another